Okay, so we're moving on to the electrical side of the bus for the house system. And so I'm building out a basically a box or a bin or whatever you want to call it that's going into that last bay, the lower garage bay underneath the bus there.
Gotcha.
And inside here I'm going to have our electricity is going to come in from this side through the wall of the bus.
Okay.
It's going to come into a 50 amp breaker, and then it's going to proceed to a 3,000 watt inverter, Victron inverter here, and up into our electrical panel inside the bus. And we're going to put 3 lithium batteries in here for now. And I'm planning this out so that I can add 3 more lithium batteries as well as an additional 3,000 watt inverter. So that's the future, as well as some solar hopefully. So that's what we're working on right now, but for now I'm just putting this box together to install in that bay. We used a Craig jig to attach this, and so we're just going to throw some screws in. One thing about using that Craig jig and screws to attach something like this, it's amazingly solid. I mean, it's 3/4 inch plywood and it's solid already. So I've still got to attach this to a steel beam.
Wait.
I have a whole nother side to put on. It's going to be rock solid.
So fill me in here. What made this Craig thing be like the awesome tool?
Well,
I'm confused.
Well, because it creates a pocket screw type of situation, and it just ends up being a very solid way of fastening 2 pieces of wood together. So for when you're building cabinets, it's things like that, which we'll be doing, since I'm going to be building all of our cabinets too. So cool. It's going to come in very handy.
Peek around. Oh, I can see you actually in the reflection. Look at me. Okay.
So if you push that door open, you'll see why that slot exists.
Oh.
Well, you can't see it from that side, but that lip on the top part of the door goes through that slot.
Oh.
So we are ready to attach this to the floor. Oh, dang. And this steel beam up here. Today I'm installing the 50 amp receptacle into the side of the bus, so that means I gotta take a 2.5 inch hole saw straight through the stainless steel here. A little nerve-wracking, but after much measuring and debating on where exactly I want to put this, I decided that it should go right there, and then it's going to turn back and come into my electrical bay over here. So this is the 50 amp outlet, plugs in, screws on. So it's watertight, all that good stuff. So it's a marine 50 amp outlet. Here we go. And there we are. There's a 2.5 inch hole in the side of the bus.
Wow. Crazy.
Alright.
What you got?
That is our 3,000 watt Victron inverter.
Yeah.
So it's going in.
So
I've got the fuse box in, all wired from the 50 amp outlet or inlet. So I've got my cable here ready to go. It's going into the inverter. And then it's going to come back out of the inverter and then back up through the floor into the wall between the shower and where our toilet's going to be. And then there's going to be an electrical panel in the toilet room. So just pretty short run up here to get to the electrical panel. And
So
there we go.
you're working on electricity when California is out of electricity?
Yeah, the rest of the state, I figure it's as good a day as they need to do it.
Right.
Since PG&E's got everybody shut off of power, I might as well make some of my own. Hopefully we'll get some solar up here before long. Will not go in there.
About 80 pounds, you think?
Something like that. I can't remember exactly what they said. I'm not finding the hole just yet. I think that side went.
Yeah, it's crooked.
Yeah, I figured. One side went in, the other side didn't.
Do it over.
No, it's in. It's in.
Is it?
Yeah. Let's just work it down into place. It's a tight one.
Good and tight.
Okay. Don't know if I want to be pounding on a freaking $1,200 piece of equipment.
Yeah, it's not level. You can eyeball it.
I can't from where I'm sitting, but I'm sure you can.
Well, you can see it's up on the right hand side more.
It's higher over here.
Yes. Oh, there you go. There you go. You got it.
It's a little better.